have to be formed to verify the validity of that 130-degree reading. But at least they don't have the humidity, Dare.
Yeah, that's right. It's a dry heat. That's what they like to call it, right? 130 degrees, though. Couldn't imagine that. Let's get right to your forecast. We're keeping a close eye on the tropics now. Things have really started to ramp up in the Atlantic. Two areas that the Hurricane Center are keeping an eye out for. This is the first one, Invest 97L, which now is approaching the Lesser Antilles, but it's expected to start getting organized as it gets deeper into the Caribbean. Right now, the Hurricane Center giving this a 60% chance of development over the next 5 days. We also have Invest 98, which is out here just west of the Cabo Verde Islands, going to be heading westward. 90% chance of development over the next 5 days. We need to pay close attention to both of these, as there is a chance that the first one could end up in the Gulf at some point. So we'll keep an eye on that one, staying well south of our area. But then the second one looks like it's going to take that same trek across the Atlantic and get close to our area here by the time we get towards, I'd say, around the 24th, 25th of August. So right now, no concerns, but this is the time now that you need to get your plan together and figure out what you're going to do in case we have a hurricane threat coming up later on this season, not at the last minute. So just kind of a reminder there to just go ahead and get those things done. We had some storms today, coastal first, inland during the afternoon as a result of the wind shift that we had last week, starting to bring those storms onshore. We're going to see that again here for tomorrow as temperatures have started to cool off. With that onshore flow, though, the temperatures are not going to drop much more than what you see out there right now. Mid to upper 70s by the time you wake up in the morning. Our average low is 75, so we're going to be above that. Highs tomorrow afternoon reaching the low 90s with more scattered showers and storms. Looks like coastal areas first, and then as the afternoon goes on, spreading inland. The reason why we're seeing this now is due to a southwest flow in the upper parts of the atmosphere. You can see how the winds are generally blowing in this direction onshore, and it looks like that's going to be the case here for most of this week. Now, notice through Wednesday, we continue with a southwest flow. Watch what happens, though, by Friday into the weekend. The winds start to come more out of the east. That means that the storms are going to start collecting near the coast during the second half of the day. That will begin on Friday and continue to the weekend. So morning coastal storms, inland afternoon storms for the next 2 or 3 days, and then by the end of the week into the weekend, we'll reverse that pattern, and the coast will see the storms later in the day. So here's predictor: dry in the morning, coastal storms mid to late morning, and then spreading inland as the afternoon goes on. So that's Tuesday there. Coastal storms on Wednesday morning, spreading inland as the afternoon goes on your Wednesday, and we'll see this again Thursday before it reverses on Friday into the weekend. Partly cloudy, humid tonight, 78. Tomorrow, 91. Showers and storms in the forecast. Coastal areas first in the morning, inland during the afternoon. Ingman Marine forecast. Seas running about 2 feet or less. Winds out of the west 5 to 10 knots. Inland waters, a light chop. Here's your 7-day forecast. Scattered storm chances Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Coastal in the morning, inland during the afternoon. By Friday, the winds shift. We'll start to see PM coastal storms, and that should continue into the weekend.
Tonight, Fort Myers